So looking at these connected provider objects, we have a connection object. That is what's used to actually open a connection to the database and close the connection. There are command objects, which are used for executing individual statements. This is how you sort of send a message to the server saying, do this, execute this select statement and send me the results, or just execute this stored procedure. Here are the parameter values for it, and so on. A data reader is a connected object that is used for streaming data back to your application in a very efficient way. You could think of data readers as being equivalent to read-only, forward-only record sets. You move through them in one direction to retrieve data from the result set of a database command. The data adapter, which you see over on the right side of this chart, is a very interesting and useful object that you have. I mentioned it earlier. The data adapter actually has 4 different commands in it that it encapsulates. There's a select command, insert command, update command, and delete command. Each of these commands have their own individual connections to the database. They could all be connecting to the same database or even to different databases. And what happens, as you'll see in more detail later, the data adapter is used when you have disconnected data stored in a data table and you want to push changes back to the database. The data adapter can inspect all of the rows and run the specific command that's needed to perform updates. That would be the 3 last commands, insert, update, and delete. If you want to actually populate one of these data tables, then you use a data adapter and call its fill method, which executes the select command.